Just a little side note, when you are working around cabinets and on countertops and you have to stand on the countertop to do the patch above it, make sure you don't step off the edge. You know, you don't want to step out here in the middle. You want to make sure you're standing on top of those cabinets, the edge of those cabinets when you're walking around on the countertop. You want to be able to make sure that you are standing where this cabinet is. You know, there's the cabinet's going this direction, this cabinet's going this, so you can stand here, you can stand here, you can stand here, and you can stand anywhere along this edge, but you do not want to stand here in the middle or here in the middle. This is granite. I doubt it if I'm going to break it, but if I'm obese, and I'm getting there because I'm getting old, but if I'm not old obese, if I'm obese, I don't even want to get up here. I would recommend you get somebody who's a little bit skinnier than you are to get up there. But I'm not obese yet, so I can still get up here and I can work this patch. But you see the patch? It's got 2 coats on it now. 1 skim coat. It's perfect. All right, you guys have a good day. Hey, if you really like the videos, subscribe. And if you really like the videos, please just share them with somebody else. All right, you guys have a great day.